Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about the second part of this to-do app. And in the last part, we have set up the Chakra UI with the Next.js 13, and we have created just a simple button to check if a Chakra UI is configured correctly. So here is the output of this simple button. So in this video, I'm going to actually build the simple UI, and UI contains the navbar in the header section, and then the form, and then the list of all to-dos that are going to appear right over here. So let's jump into the coding and start building the UI first. So in here I need this navbar and the couple of actually links inside the container, and then the rest of the UI is also in the container. So let me go ahead and let me remove everything right in here which I have built previously for experimenting. So I'll be removing this button right from here, and I'll be building this UI from the scratch. So for that, let me maximize it and let me add the bunch of components that we will be needing. So the first is box. We will also be needing the container component, and then the flex component, and then the H stack, horizontal stack component, just for grouping of different components together. And then maybe we need the link or the button right in here, and these are enough for now. And let me straight away start building this. So right, first thing is the box, which will contain everything else inside the nav or the header section. Make sure that we are inside the header.tsx file. So in here, let me first give the bg color, and we are having different variety of different colors right from that comes with the default theme of the Chakra UI. So we can pick right gray.3 for now, 300 for now. And then inside here, we can also write the container, and we can also specify the maximum width of the container based on your preferences. So I am just writing it 1400 pixels wide container, and that's good for now. And right inside here, I need a flex component because I need to arrange the elements through this flex. And inside the flex component, I will be having I can use a box or a link or anything like that you like. So for now I'm writing a box, and inside it I'll be using simple to do app text. And then inside the H stack component, I'll be using two link components just to write the text. One is for about and copy paste it, and one is for the icon. So I'll be placing the icon over here later on. So let me go and check what actually I have built. So this is a very simple navbar now. So we have to actually move these about an icon to the rightmost side. So since we are inside the flex, so we can easily use the properties like justify content, and it's like space between. And now if you can see that we have the about icons and this, and we also need some padding right in here. So padding top and bottom, for that we need py. Let me give it like 6. So yeah, this is fine. And I can also improve it later on. For now I have to actually give the margin between these two. So for now I will be using mx for margin left on the left side as well as on the right side. So I can give it like 4 pixels. Basically it's not a pixels, it's the multiplication of the default space unit that is set already in the default theme of the Chakra UI. So it's good, it looks good for now. And this is the first component. I'll be using obviously the icon, and we'll be moving back to actually give it a finish touch.